Today we're going to make a pancake. First, we need to beat this flour. Now, we can put
Dali lang din. Egg.
tama. Egg. May tubig. Now, good boy now. Good boy. Mixer mo na din.
Dali lang.
Wait, nalagyan pa natin.
Tapos egg.
May tapos na po yung egg.
Ay, ay. Wala pala.
Tapos the water. Ito sa'yo, Zia. Ito sa'yo. Kasi,
Try mo lang i-mix.
this is yours. Dapat naubos natin yung white na kulang ng tubig.
Hindi, malalab naman. Kasi mo naman ito. Tingnan lang sa akin. Careful, careful.
Ang sa akin. Saan pa?
Okay. Okay.
Sila silang mami ng Mara.
Okay, halo mo pa.
Mix pa din. And mayroon tira pang mga white. I mean flour. It's yummy. Today turned into a water. And why did they have little balls?
Kasi nagsama-sama yung ingredients. Konti lang. Okay na. Mix mabuti, tapos na po natin.
Now it's into a water.
Yun. Diba? Sa mix mabuti. Zizi, what are we going